Good day everyone. So this project proposal entitled Plant a Trees, Save the Earth, especially in Ipil Heights, Ipil, Zamboanga, Sibugay. The location of this program will be held on Barangay Ipil Heights, Ipil, Zamboanga, Sibugay. The duration of this project proposal is from 3 months to 6 months. So we decided to start it from April 2022 and end it on October 2022. So this is environmental program since we're dealing here to save the earth and help the community member who are affected, especially to landslide. So the primary objective of this program is to nurture trees and also to promote environmental program or environmental unity with the locality. First is to conserve biodiversity in the community even up to this pandemic. Second, to empower communities and youth to make the environment to safer, cleaner, and a greener place. Third, to contribute to the prevention of the unfavorable effect of climate change. And fourth is to connect participants and the residents of the Barangay Ipil Heights, Ipil, Zamboanga, Sibugay to the benefits of the trees and also to foster environmental stewardships. Our environment needs human tender loving care, and we can do so by engaging in environmental activities that also improve our quality of living, such as tree planting. So Barangay Ipil Heights, Ipil, Zamboanga, Sibugay is prone to landslide. So that is why this proposal emphasizes the importance of tree planting in order to help the community member in the said barangay. So this will also give them knowledge about the importance of tree planting to our environment so that they would be able to take care of it. So it is said that trees have lots of benefits. Tree growing is an essential way counties across the globe are doing to avert the harsh impact of climate change. Tree planting is the process of transplanting the seedlings, generally for forestry, land reclamation, or landscaping purposes. So it differs from the transplantation of longer trees in arboriculture and from the lower cost but slower and less reliable distribution of tree seeds. As trees grow, they help absorb and sink the carbon that would otherwise contribute to global heating. So trees, together with all the plants, and use sunlight energy to do photosynthesis. So it is a process that uses carbon dioxide and also water to create energy or glucose for their cells. So in the end, trees end up feeding themselves with the carbon we desperately need to avoid getting to the atmosphere. So in addition to the carbon dioxide trees capture, they also help the soil capture and store carbon. So despite not doing such an incredible job as oceans, do absorbing around 90% of all carbon emission and then suffering the impact of ocean acidification. So trees are extremely important to help stop climate change.
Tree planting is very important, especially to rural areas just like in Barangay Ipil Heights, Ipil, Zamboanga, Sibugay. As it said, the tree planting is known as one of the most engaging environmentally pleasant activities that people can take place in to better the planet. Trees provide a multitude of benefits, each long and brief term. As properly as being desirable aesthetically, they dispose of and trap carbon from the atmosphere, gradual heavy rain, and so reduce the hazard of flooding. Decorate air and enhance the rural heat island impact through reflecting sunlight and presenting shade. In addition, the physical weight of the trees consists of about 50% carbon. As such, timber have a sturdy climate exchange mitigation effect when in high adequate numbers. Some of these benefits, such as the mitigation of the city warm island impact and upgrade to air, time, and localized will, deliver the most advantages to the humans who stay in and any other case spend their time in the nearby area. Other advantages, such as the removal of carbon from the environment, will advantage the wider population. Now, not just these who stay the Barangay Ipil Heights, Ipil, Zamboanga, Sibugay. Every participant or volunteer should be at the assigned waiting area before everyone proceeds to the place or site where we plant the trees. And the seedlings are provided by the conductor, by us, and it should be ready at the site to be planted. And in that case, the volunteers or participants should provide their own tree guard to protect the trees that they planted. Because tree guard are effective means of establishing broad-leaved trees, providing protection from browsing mammals and enhancing tree growth. The participants should bring their own materials like bolo and mini shovel. This program covers the entire barangay of Ipil Heights, Ipil, Zamboanga, Sibugay. It is to help to prevent the landslide on the area that we selected. The allocated budget for this program is 10,000 pesos because we only need to buy seedlings for 3 trees to be planted. And it should be enough to cover the area that we selected where we plant the seeds.